Hi guys. Need to pick up this tractor here. Take it to my house and start working on it. 54 utility Workmaster. Utility tractor 300. Not Workmaster. Blah. Sorry, can't get that. There. Kind of weird. I don't even have to drink on my right side, but left side I do. Alright. What petrol we got? Oh yeah, plenty. Alright. Choke out. Dropping that off. Bike on the front of the front loader, deck's on the side. Now we're ready. Alright, back home. Doing a little bit of work to this. I got to replace the ammeter, the temperature. The only thing that still works on it would be the oil pressure. I got to hose this down and find out where it's leaking a lot more oil down there. I gotta replace this before I can run the high pressure hose on this. And you follow that spot up here, we got a little bit of leak. It's nothing because I switched connectors. So when you pull this down, it actually goes up. When you push forward, it's supposed to go up. Instead of that, this goes down, you push forward and make it go up. So I reverse the connection now. It goes up and goes forward and goes down. Not bad for a 54. Now the fun began. When I hose it down, I got to take this tank out. Now I got a little bit of fuel leak around that the line connector, so I can drain the tank out and pull the tank out. I put flanks out and flanks on straight out. Yeah, this is going to come off. It's going to tip over so I can get this part straightened out. This kind of dips in. I got it in here now. As you can see, where's leaking oil right there. I see where it's coming out. Yeah, well, I'll get it down. Well, I'm in here now. I'll start working.